All right, guys. Last thing as part of this CRUD interactivity kind of lesson is how the heck we remove stuff from the DOM or delete stuff. Now, there's two types. You can either hide it or actually remove it, and I'll do demos of both. So let's actually work with this image for our purposes. I'm going to just do dead simple selector on it and then run a jQuery helper method called hide. I'm going to inspect element on image, hit refresh. This ran, and all I did was add display none to our image. So it's actually still available in the DOM. So if I wanted to, and I had code that said on HTML click, which is just a really quick debug, we can bring it back. No problem at all. Now I'm going to refresh here. It's still gone. I'm clicking the HTML. It's back. So that's kind of like the difference between display none, display block. Alternatively, you could completely remove it from the DOM, which would be this method, remove. So if I refresh now, and I'll refresh, and I'll try to find the image, it's gone. It was the equivalent of hitting delete out of here. There's no way to access it. The only way to get that back is if we stored it in a variable called bring me back, and then on like some click event or something, we put it back into place. Now I'm not going to do that for what we're doing, but I just want to let you know that's the differences between kind of hiding and showing things from the DOM. I know as beginners, it probably is a little confusing between display none and stuff, but the last thing I want to kind of talk about is you don't have to use these hide and shows. I mean, that's the equivalent of doing, you guys have seen this a million times, CSS, helper, display none, or display block. Like that's all those little helpers are doing. And for a lot of reasons, I actually prefer to use class management to hide and show things. So for example, I feel like it's easier to control, a lot easier than using remove. And this way I guarantee a little bit of what's happening. And what I'll do is on click, we'll grab the image and we'll just toggle a class called hide me. And then we'll go into our styles. If an image has a class hide me, we're going to display none important. And this way I guarantee that it's going to be locked out. So let's go here, click HTML, and it has a class hide me. It's hidden. That's the other way to do it. I prefer that method. I think you guys will too overall, but I just want to let you know about the different ways to kind of remove stuff.